Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back to robmotivejl. Again, today it's robmotive TJ, I guess. We've done some work, previous video, on this Jeep. It is a 1999 Jeep Wrangler TJ, two-door, and it is a 6-speed, I believe, and it is my mother's Jeep. There she is. She's out here watching to make sure I don't scratch this brand new paint job she's got. What we're going to do today, we're replacing the Jeep closeout that was across this nasty bar. It's been painted black, but believe me, it was nasty before. This is the old closeout. It had been painted and a nick taken out of it. So she decided she wanted a new one. And they're readily available and they don't cost a fortune. So we've got the new one here. It's pretty simple. 4 bolts, 2 on each side, right down underneath to this frame member part. And that's it. And what it does, it's just for aesthetics. It covers up this nasty kind of looking area here and also protects this, what I think is a brake line. I'm not exactly sure what this is. And whatever this unit is here, I don't know. I'm not that familiar with it. But it protects that and gives you a nice finished look here at the end. The holes for those bolts, I'll show you real quick because I know you're interested. There's one here and one here. They just bolt in, that's it. And actually, I'm not sure if this is the right one or not. We'll find out once I have the piece on. But I'm going to go ahead and bolt it on there, and then I'll show you when it's done. Okay, here's a look at that front closeout. It's just on here again. It's an aesthetic thing to kind of keep things a little bit nicer under there. I did have to improvise a little bit because of this bumper, I think. It doesn't go down quite as far as it should. So here's a little tip for you if you're working with plastic. I just took a washer that extends over the edge of the plastic to kind of squeeze it down on there. That'll hold. There's no pressure on it or anything. Trying to pull it off, so it should be just fine. And then these screws are ones that I had because it was missing the originals. So these will be painted black so that they don't stand out, although I don't know if anybody would really ever notice anything anyway. But that's what it looks like. So next, I think we're going to move on to the antenna while we're here in the front. I've loosened this one already. Hopefully it just comes right off of there. Let's see if I can do it by hand. You know, sometimes even though things are loose, you get to a point where you have to have a wrench again. I think it's going to. Let's see. She got a, there you go. She got a stubby, and you can see this one looks like it has been painted before. It's got some chips out of it. So I don't know if they painted it or not. Maybe it's just old and worn. But what we've got over here is a stubby that's going to go on there. So it's going to look something like that. Should look pretty good on there. Just need to find the right adapter to screw in the hole. I'll put some blue Loctite in there too, probably. And I'll go ahead and get it on. So let me do that, and I'll show you what it looks like. All right, we've got Mom out here touching things up a little bit. And right here is the new stubby antenna. Kind of hard to see in the light, I know. But there it is, and that's as compared to the bigger one that stood way up above the Jeep. So that's what it looks like. It actually goes on there pretty well, and they still do have adapters that fit on the new new antennas. Now we're going to flip it around, and we've got to address the rear end. We're going to take care of these. Okay, last piece, last part. Notice the festive robmotive and robmotivejl badging on here. Gotta love that. They're just magnetic stickers, no adhesive stuck to the paint. But the last part is to go ahead and replace the light covers. We've got them laying over here. They're all ready to go. This is what the old ones look like, and this is what the new ones look like. Hard to see in this light, but they're very, well, there you can see. They're very worn, very faded, if you will. So all we have to do now is go ahead and screw these on. Strangely to me anyway, the top, and they're labeled top and bottom. The top is where the backup or reverse light is. So I find that kind of odd. I would expect it to be on the bottom, but as you can see, it says top. So I'm going to put one on, and then I think Mom might actually put one on too. Right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to put the taillights on. I'm going to do this one, and Mom over there is going to do the other one. So go ahead, and this way she can say she actually had a hand, although she's done some other things on this, but had a hand in restoring her own Jeep TJ. And how's it going over there?
I'm done.
You're done? You beat me.
I gotta tighten it off.
All right, there you have it. The tail lights are on. I'll jump in a minute. Matter of fact, I'll do that now if I can have Krista hold the camera. I'll check it. Let me
This is a
push on the brake. Take a look at what they look like.
This is a 3-man operation.
Whoa.
Yep.
Look good?
Yep. Excellent.
Got it done.
Check mine.
That's it. There you have it. That is the final short-term mod on the new or older 1999 Jeep TJ. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think of it so far. Again, there'll be lots of pictures at the end. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there. Bye.